Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax.
And this is Prarthana from ClearTax as well. Well, Simran, most people actually equate investment to risk, but that is not always true as there are ways to invest your money without any risks involved.
I completely agree, Prarthana. One of the most used non-risk investment option is fixed deposit or the FD. Fixed deposit is one of the simplest and the safest investment options.
And there are so many benefits too, right? It offers less risk, tax benefits, assured maturity amount and...
Wait! Why don't we discuss all of that in today's video, dude?
My company is surely making you more intelligent. So guys, if you are thinking of investing in fixed deposits, there must be a lot of questions circling around in your mind, right?
And today, you may get answers to all your questions. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first question is, what is a fixed deposit?
Yes, let's start from the very basics. A fixed deposit or the FD is a financial product given by the banks to its customers at an interest rate higher than that of a regular savings account. It is a type of investment in which an account holder deposits a certain amount with the bank at a fixed interest for a fixed period. Now, on this amount, the bank provides the customer interest until it reaches its maturity. Now, Simran, what are its benefits?
Well, the answer to that is fixed deposits have various benefits over other investment options such as assured returns. It is flexible in nature, there is very low risk of level, and it is also considered as an emergency fund, and there's an easy withdrawal and tax benefits. And you know what? Fixed deposits that have a minimum maturity period of 5 years are exempted from taxation. Coming to the next question, that is, who is eligible to open an FD account?
Now, eligibility to invest is crucial indeed. Residents, HUF, group companies, limited companies, partnership firms, sole traders, associations, clubs and societies, family trusts, minors through their natural or legally appointed guardian are eligible. Moving on to the fourth question, what is the minimum deposit amount required to open a FD account?
Well, Prarthana, the answer to that is the minimum deposit amount required to open for the FD account is just rupees 1000. However, it may vary from one bank to another. Moving on to the next question, that is, what is the maximum amount that can be invested in a FD account?
Well, there is no maximum limit. However, it may vary from one bank to the other. The depositors who invest an amount of above rupees 1 crore on fixed deposit can get customized interest rates from their bank. Moving on, the time span really confuses people sometimes, right? Now, what is the maximum and the minimum tenure of investment in FD?
Well, the answer to that is, in fixed deposit, the customers can choose to fix their money from 7 days to 10 years. Moving on to the next one, that is, how will I get the interest amount?
How you will receive your interest amount depends on the investment scheme you have chosen at the time of opening your fixed deposit account. Now, if your money is deposited under the traditional scheme, the FD interest will be credited to your savings account on a monthly or quarterly basis. If your money is deposited under the reinvestment scheme, interest will be added to the principal amount periodically for reinvestment and will be compounded as per the time. Now, the interest amount on your FD can be received on monthly, quarterly or annual basis. Simran, are there any special benefits for senior citizens?
Well, Prarthana, yes, most banks and other financial institutions offer senior citizens higher rate of interest on their fixed deposit accounts. They are liable to get this benefit even if they open a fixed account with a co-applicant who is not a senior citizen. Moving on to the ninth question, that is it possible to withdraw fixed deposits before maturity?
Well, yes, if you urgently require money, you can withdraw money from your fixed deposit account before it matures. This is called premature withdrawal. You can even choose to partially withdraw the required amount from your fixed deposit account. However, Simran, the premature withdrawal before maturity is not advisable as the bank, according to their set of rules, will reduce the rate of interest. Now moving on to the 10th question. What will happen to my money if I close my FD before maturity?
Well, the answer to that is, if you wish to close your fixed deposit account, your bank will pay you back the principal amount as well as the interest either at a lower rate of interest and or after deducting a penalty. In case of premature withdrawal, the interest on your fixed deposit will be paid not as per the original rate of interest but as per the rate applicable to the date of the deposit. Your bank or the financial institution where you have your fixed deposit account can also deduct 0.5 to 1% rate of interest from the rate of interest that was applicable to the actual period of FD. Moving on to the next question, that is TDS applicable to the interest earned on the fixed deposit?
Well, the answer to that is TDS is not applicable to the interest earned up to rupees 5,000 to 10,000 depending on the financial institution. If the investor's total income is lower than the taxable limit, they can furnish Form 15G or 15H at the time of opening a FD account to avoid tax deduction. Well, Simran, can I take a loan against fixed deposit?
Well, Pratna, yes. One of the benefits of FD is that you can take a loan against it. In case of a financial emergency, you can take a loan against your fixed deposit instead of breaking it before maturity. This will save you from losing interest on your fixed deposit. The banks can offer loans ranging from 60% to 90% of the deposited amount. You can even get a higher amount but with higher interest charges. The rate of interest on the loan against your FD amount is usually 2% to 2.5% higher than the rate of interest given on your fixed deposit. However, it is still less than what you will have to pay on a personal loan. Moving on to the last question, that is there a nomination facility in FD?
Yes. Keeping the unforeseen circumstances in mind, the banks and other financial institutions offer a nomination facility to the depositor. If the depositor dies, the nominee can lay claim to the fixed deposit amount on maturity. This can, however, vary on the basis of the mode of holding.
Well, I think we have answered all the common questions that pop into your mind when you think about fixed deposit. But if you have any more questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below and we will try to reply to it as soon as we can.
Absolutely. And do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Clear Tax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and stay safe.